Craving a quick and satisfying sandwich? Here are 3 easy sandwiches you can make at home: chicken mayo, egg mayo, and a hearty chicken club. Let's start with the chicken mayo sandwich. In a bowl, add shredded chicken along with mayonnaise, salt, and pepper. Mix everything well until it becomes creamy and well combined. Now take 2 bread slices and generously spread the chicken mixture on one slice. Place the second slice on top. To grill the sandwich, melt some butter in a pan and add chopped garlic for extra flavor. Now place the sandwich on the pan and grill it until the bread turns golden brown and perfectly crispy. Your chicken mayo sandwich is ready to serve. Now let's make a classic egg mayo sandwich. Chop boiled eggs into small pieces and add them to a bowl. Now sprinkle pepper powder, red chili flakes and a little salt. Mix well. Now add mayo and mix again until the egg mixture becomes creamy. Take 2 slices of bread, place a fresh lettuce leaf on one slice and add a generous scoop of the egg mixture. Cover it with the second slice of bread and cut it neatly into a triangle. Your delicious egg mayo sandwich is ready. Now for something more filling, the chicken club sandwich. Heat some oil in a pan and add sliced onions, chicken and garlic cloves. Mix and cook until the chicken is fully done. Once cooked, remove it from the heat and let it cool slightly. Meanwhile, beat 2 eggs in a bowl and pour them into a flat pan to make an omelette. Once cooked, fold it and keep it aside. Now add the cool chicken mixture into a bowl, mix in some corn, fresh mint leaves, salt to taste and mayo. Now let's assemble the sandwich. Take 3 slices of bread, spread the chicken mixture on the first slice and cover it with the second slice. On the slice, place a cheese slice and arrange some tomato slices. Sprinkle a little pepper and top it with the omelette. Now spread some mustard sauce on the third slice of bread and place it on top. Gently press the sandwich, flip it over and cut it into half. Your loaded chicken club sandwich is ready to serve. Which sandwich would you try first? Do let us know in the comments, and for more such easy recipes, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Times Foodie.